Welcome to the Music Cave. In today's video, I'm going to play a gig, and you're coming with me. Gotta get my horns packed up. I'm always double checking, triple checking everything because I'm always afraid I'm going to forget something. And so I got my mouthpiece, neck, saxophone, tip money. Gotta get the tip started. Never forget your swab. 4 hours of music and no swab is a bad combination. And tonight, I'm playing on my Con 444N from the 1941. Tonight I'm also playing a little cornet. I grabbed my old-timey, I can't remember what this, I think it's a clear tone mute. These have a, you'll hear it, these have a great sound. My Con 1906 Conquer Cornet. Let's go. We're off to the Country Club Plaza in Kansas City, Missouri. Yes, so this is the Intercontinental. A really beautiful hotel. Brush Creek. Looks like there's some scooters down there. And the Country Club Plaza is a really high-end shopping center. I'm not sure when it was built. I want to say like the 1920s. It's kind of a Spanish architecture. Cool. Yeah, I got to get back to the gig. Finish setting my horns up. Yeah, we'll cross over. That looks expensive. Dealer tags. Dang. So what was up? Hey, there's Aaron. There's Mark. Well,
you've heard of jumping the shark? We jumped the set.
We jumped the set, but it wasn't a big.
We jumped the set.
No one knew because no one had the set list. We just started playing.
Actually, we made copies. We may have distributed them. It's possible someone knew.
Well, also people just yelled out songs. We just played those.
They don't even know. They don't even know what the songs are most of the time.
Well, I wasn't paying attention, so I just played whatever you wanted.
Well, I mean, when people are dancing and they ask for another song, we play that song. So that was good.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, in fairness, when they said play another song, we did play another song.
Fair point too.
That's true.
So we nailed that part. Yeah, I don't know where we are in the set list. Hey!
All right. Bye.
Do we say goodbye?
Oh man, that was a long night, but all packed up and ready to go. Whew, thanks for watching. See you next time. That was a 4-hour gig playing saxophone, clarinet, and cornet, and I am tired. I'm going home. It is 12:44, so I probably won't be asleep until closer to 2, but it was fun. Great night. Good people.